This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a collagen night mask effectively. First, ensure your face is completely clean and dry. This allows the mask's beneficial ingredients to penetrate deeply. Apply a small, pea-sized amount, spreading it evenly across your face, avoiding the eye and lip areas. This simple step prepares your skin for maximum absorption and rejuvenation overnight. After applying the mask, use gentle, upward circular motions to massage it into your skin. This helps stimulate circulation and ensures even distribution. Let the mask work its magic overnight, or for a minimum of 15 minutes if you prefer. In the morning, simply rinse your face with lukewarm water to remove any remaining product, revealing refreshed and hydrated skin. To boost your results, consider layering a hydrating serum underneath your collagen night mask. This combination provides an extra surge of moisture, enhancing the mask's plumping effects. Consistency is key. Using the mask regularly, 2 to 3 times a week, will yield the most noticeable improvements in skin texture and firmness. Remember to store your product properly for longevity. Before fully incorporating any new product, always perform a small patch test on your inner arm to check for sensitivities. Listen to your skin. If you experience any irritation, reduce usage or consult a dermatologist. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This smart vacuum offers voice control and self-emptying, making your home care effortless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.